Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I will tell you how the price of gold has moved in the last 2 weeks of July and how it can move in the next two coming week of July's. Okay, see, if you look at the chart of gold, what we have seen, there is a U pattern forming. Okay, and this particular U pattern is from 2020 to 2022. Okay, 2022. After that, what we have seen, a sharp fall has come after making a high of around 2072 or 2071. After this particular high of 2072, we have seen a sharp fall. Okay, and that sharp fall made a low of around $17.01. Okay, so before we move forward, if you have any doubt regarding gold or any other commodities, mail us at stockmarkettradinglive@gmail.com, and one more mail ID I have given in the description. Please watch the full video, then you will understand how this technical in gold and other commodities works. And if you wish to join my Telegram channel, link I have given in the description, you can join. See, now look at the chart. Suppose if this particular level sustained, because as of now we can see a swing is created at this particular level, but overall if you look at the chart, trend was continuously down, because if this level goes below a level of 1679, a probability of going further down will be there, because this level has not been touched since November of 2020. Okay, so that will be a 2 years low. So what we can see, it can go further down. Okay, so now looking at the chart, suppose if this particular level sustained, we can see it can touch a level of $1722. Okay, and suppose if the price goes above that level, then we can see it can touch a level of $1744. Okay, once the price sustain above that level, then we can see it can go further high towards a level of $1754, and this is a weak resistance. Keep this in mind, it is a weak resistance, so probability is very high. We can see it can go further upside towards a level of $1784. Okay, and $1784 once go upside, then we can see it can touch a level of $1795. Once the price goes up $1795, then we can see it can go further upside, and a cup pattern will form. A probability of going further upside is very high. Now, and I have already explained you one thing, that if it has to go upside, it will not go in a straight line. It will halt for some time, then move upside like this. In the same way, if you look at this particular trend, it has come down, it has halted for some time, then came down, and like in the same way it has did when it has come down. So what we can see, looking at the chart, if this particular level didn't sustain, we can see it can fall further low towards a level of $1693. Okay, and $1693 is already being tested twice, so probability is very high. We can see it can move further low towards a level of $1677. Okay, so if the price comes close to 1693, a probability of touching 1677 is very high, and this 1677 is a weak support, so probability will be very high. We can see it can go further down towards a level of $1658. So the price of gold, we can see further fall if the price didn't sustain a level of around 1682. Keep this in mind, that if the price goes below a level of 1682, we can see it can go further down, and once the price goes below that level, then we can see a fall further towards a level of 1604 will be there, if the price didn't sustain a level of $1655. Okay, because this is the range where it has spent most of the time. So once it start going downside, a probability of going further down is very high. Okay, any doubt regarding this, you can mail me. Okay, I do workshop also, where I teach when to enter, when to exit on all these things, and how to strategize your trade. If you want to attend that, mail me regarding that too. Okay, so hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if you are new to my channel, please subscribe it. Thank you.